The first solution, go to your iPhone settings, tap on Bluetooth, disable Bluetooth, wait 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Now try to reconnecting and check Bluetooth problem solved or not. Second solution, forget the device and reconnect. Go to your iPhone settings, Bluetooth, tap this eye icon next to the device, and now go ahead and just forget the device. And now restart your Bluetooth device, pair again. This fixes most connection problems. Third solution, restart your iPhone. Hold power button and volume button, slide to power off, and then turn your iPhone back on. Sometimes a simple restart can fix this kind of glitches. Fourth solution, reset network settings. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, transfer reset iPhone, reset, and select reset network settings. This will fix any kind of Bluetooth problem in your iPhone. The next solution, check Bluetooth device. Make sure your device is fully charged, device is in pairing mode, not connected to another phone or device, within 10 meters. If you're still having any problem, then go ahead and simply update your iPhone. If any of the solution fix your problem, please give a like and subscribe my channel.